Hello students, today we are going to discuss some problems based on graphical solution of linear inequalities. So first question is solve graphically x greater than equals to 3 and y greater than equals to 2. So as we have discussed in earlier videos that the line which is horizontal its equation is y is equal to k and the line which is vertical its equation is x is equal to k. So first of all we will again ignore the inequality and we will pick only the equal sign. So these two lines, first line x is equal to 3 is vertical line and y is equal to 2 is horizontal line. So we will count 3 on x axis, 2 on y axis, and we will draw the line. Now about the shading, so obviously shading both are greater than, so its shading is done in the right hand side and same its shading is done in the right hand side. So we can see that common region is shaded in a dense manner and required region is shown. Next, now first inequality is 3x plus 2y less than equals to 12, then x greater than equals to 1 and y greater than equals to 2. Now here again first of all let us consider the equality sign only. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. These are the most reliable point. So line is drawn. And about the shading, I am putting x and y 0, 0 here. That is origin. So that means 0 less than is equal to 12 and the result is true. As the result is true, so that means shading will be done towards origin like this. Then the other inequalities, x greater than equals to 1. So first of all x is equal to 1, again vertical line, and y is equal to 2, horizontal line, and both are greater, that means shading is done towards right hand side here and towards upward here, so that final region of all the three inequalities will be the triangular region. And if I put name A, B and C, then remember the final name will be A, B, C, A because it is bounded region. If I simply write A, B, C, that means it is unbounded, like A, B, C, it is open from this side. So it is not so. So that is why we have to make first letter repeat so that this is a closed region. Next is 4x plus 3y less than equals to 60, y greater than equals to 2x, x greater than equals to 3 and x comma y greater than equals to 0. So overall 5 inequalities are there, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. These are 2. So first of all let us consider these two inequalities. These simply mean x greater than equals to 0 and y greater than equals to 0. So if I ignore the inequality sign, that means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So that means x, this is y axis and this is x axis. So these are already drawn, x and y first of all, and both are greater than 0. That means shading will be done in first quadrant only. Shading will be done in the first quadrant. The overall shading I am talking about, not individual line shading. Overall, that means shaded region will be in first quadrant. Now 4x plus 3y less than equals to 60. So it's simple. Put x is equal to 0, y is 20, y is equal to 0, x is 15. So that line is drawn. And about shading, I am putting x and y 0 here. So 0 less than is equal to 60, which is true. So shading will be done towards origin. So that and for x greater than equals to 3, this line I am first of all putting x is equal to 3 vertical line and greater than 3, that means shading is done towards right side. Finally, line y greater than equals to 2x. There is no constant like plus 9 or something. So this line will pass through origin. So we will draw the line by considering the equality only. Y is equal to 2x. So we will draw the table and draw the line as we have done in 10th class. Now for shading, I won't put 0 0 origin, because if I put 0 0, that is origin, nothing is towards origin and nothing is away origin, because line is passing through origin itself. So what I am going to do, I will pick any other standard point either on x-axis or y-axis. Yeah, we have discussed this thing yesterday also. Now I am picking 0 comma 1. So if I am putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, so the result is 1 greater than equals to 0, which is true. That means shading will be done towards this point, that is 0 comma 1. So that means shading is done towards this point, so that overall shading will be here or triangular region. And if I put ABC point, then my final bounded region is ABCA. So hence we can find the common solution or shaded region. So that's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.